Here's how to find recently downloaded apps on your iPhone. Now let's head into the App Store and let's say you recently downloaded a game and you wanted to go back and see the chronological list of those apps. So let's say in this case, I'm gonna just download a quick game to show you an example. So after I download this game and I hop out of here, there are two different ways to be able to find the list of the most recently downloaded apps. The easiest way is just to swipe to the left until you get to this app library. And you'll be able to see at the very top right, that folder is called recently added. You can see there are recently added apps and it shows up with that game that's still downloading in there. However, keep in mind, this is a limited list of the apps. It doesn't show you all of the apps. If you wanted to be able to see all of the apps, we need to head into your App Store instead. So let's go to the App Store and tap on your profile at the top right, and then tap on Apps, and then My Apps. You'll be able to see it says My Apps and All. On here, I can scroll through this list of all of the apps that I downloaded. And you can see I can even go to the very oldest app that I downloaded, in this case, Space Dead Beef, whatever that is. And you can see the chronological list. At the very top are apps that I just recently downloaded, including that game, the PUBG Mobile here game, you can see is just downloading and it's at the top of the list.